Guys, make sure you stay until the end. It's not too complicated, but if you make one common mistake, you may explode your BMW. Stay with us, we'll explain why. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super helpful video to any of you guys having a BMW i8. We're talking about that generation here. If you want to see how to remove guys the skid plate underneath guys to get to the engine, fuel tank, major repairs guys, stay with us, we'll explain how to do that. Now consider that entertaining video guys, for entertaining purposes only. This video is not a how-to video. You have a high voltage battery, gasoline, electricity, so you can electrocute or catch yourself on fire. So this is not a how-to video, but stay with us and we'll explain how we removed it on BMW i8. So guys, before we start, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We guys show you how to fix pretty much anything. Engines, transmissions, bodyworks, engine codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that? Because our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. Check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's start on it now. Guys, before we start, you gotta make sure that you disconnect the high voltage battery. Some of these models will have two different switches. So we'll have a special video about that as well. There is another video, a very good video on YouTube that will teach you about that as well if you need to. But always disconnect the high voltage battery and the low voltage battery. It's important to know on the 12 volt battery which battery terminal to disconnect, reconnect first, otherwise you can cause damages that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair. So let's start on it now. So what do we guys need? Okay, Torx 50, 8mm socket at first, ratchets, extensions, and what we did, we're using that quick jack lift system here, but before we installed it, actually we had to remove already some of the bolts for the skid plate underneath, 6 on each side, and one little 8mm one as well. Where are those bolts located? Okay, let us show you guys. Okay, the ones that we removed are the ones that are actually under the jack itself. So now we need to go ahead and start on the back side with 8mm socket, and we need to disconnect, okay, a few trim pieces there. So that's what we'll be doing now guys. Okay, so let's go ahead, do that now. 1, 2, that's towards the back of the vehicle, you can see, and we have a few more there. Perfect. Okay, we keep going. Perfect. Now that one should be loose. See if we have anything underneath. Okay, if we have any bolts holding in place there as well. So now guys, okay, we're going to before we do that, we need to do the one for the battery right here. Okay, we will need to do the one towards the front of the vehicle. You see this one? We need to go ahead and remove that one with 8mm guys, since we're still working with that 8mm, because that will be, okay, that will be in the way. You can see it goes on top of the skid plate. So let's go ahead and do that now. That's a high voltage battery right there. Okay, perfect. Let's see if that will give us, okay, if that will give us enough room guys. You see there is 2 big bolts right there, okay, holding in place too. That we will need to get the female Torx socket in a second. So we're going to start removing all the bolts underneath. Now guys, that's a lot of bolts, like no kidding. Don't tighten those with an impact later. We just pre-loosen them and use the little impact so we don't have to turn them by hand. But if you use a big impact, you can cause quite a bit of damages. So we're going to pre-loosen these ones. While we're doing that guys, okay, I'm going to go ahead and grab the female Torx socket, okay, so we can remove the other one. So let me see if I can set the camera here, okay, to where you see what's happening, and let me go ahead quick guys, okay, and I'm going to grab the female Torx socket now, okay, like this one. 1 second, I'm getting it right now, and let me see where it went. Okay, because have to be always prepared, guys. BMW likes the torques and the female torque as well. Let's see which one it is. I don't know if it's this one.
55.
Okay, to get 55 there, or this for the next one size. I will get 55 for the next one. Perfect, that one's there ready. Let me get 55 torques as well, because there are some that are bigger. So I need to just see quickly where exactly it is. Okay, right here. Perfect. Now we're ready to come back. Okay, here is the 55 torques. Right there. So now we're going to attempt to remove the rest of them, guys. Okay, you can see those are big ones there. Okay, that's what we're doing now. Pre-loosening, so we can go ahead and see if we can remove all of them that way. That's aluminum skid plate. It shouldn't be too heavy. The whole car is practically aluminum and carbon fiber. And that will be the time to get new tires too. We just got this one on Copart, guys, so it's amazing deal that we got on it. Needs fuel pump replaced. We diagnosed it, so we'll see how it goes. Okay, I was trying here. Okay, let's see what else. There is a wall of bolts, guys. Just be mentally prepared. There will be a wall of bolts holding that skid plate in place. That's a structural support for that car too, guys. Okay, that's what we're working on. Bolts, and only bolts. There is a little bit of mud here, so we gotta be careful not to get it in our eyes. A few in the back as well, in the corners. You will see quite a few. Definitely time for new tires. This amazes me, guys, how quickly they wear out the tires when you drive them fast. Okay, working on that thing now. Just a few bolts here and there. I'm trying to find, I have a leak in the tire somewhere, and I think I just found it. Let's see if that's the one. Yep, that's the one. So we're on the other side now. Well, I'm messing with the tire to find where the leak is, because I'm tired of putting air in it every morning. Okay, that's a little piece there that's missing. That's actually a broken trim piece underneath. It's that one right there that we're removing now. So we will see, we need to disconnect it there. And we just keep working our way around it, guys. So many bolts. Once we pre-loosen them, it's easy because we just go with the impact super quickly, with a little impact, and we get them done. Okay, this one here too. Let me see, we might need to get a screwdriver to clean that one. No, let me grab one screwdriver quick, because otherwise we may damage the, let me see which one was the, we may damage the thread, guys. Inside. Okay, let me pass this here to get inside. And cleaning all the mud there. the head of the bolt can be easily stripped. If you are not careful for things like that, watch how easy now the socket goes over it, and we can simply remove it now. Perfect. Now we just start removing them, guys. If you have longer ones somewhere or fatter ones, okay, watch now, those are longer. You need to remember those things, okay, where they go. Short, short, you can see. So two long ones go on the side there. Perfect. We gotta make sure that it doesn't drop on us, right? Okay, so at one point I'll get inside and I'll hold as well. We have two in the middle holding to make sure that it doesn't drop on us. And I'm going to come situate the camera. Let me see if we can. Okay, align it. I'm sorry for the chaotic work here. Give me just a second, guys. Okay, like that. And now we are going to come inside. I don't think it will fall on us due to the fact that the jack is there, the lift. So it may not fall, but still it's always good to be prepared. It looks like we have somewhere still a bolt holding, guys. Let's see where now. Okay, just holding the plastic piece there. Here we cannot remove it from this side. Okay, we need to spread that one here, but here we're hitting on that thing. We need to get an 8mm socket. We'll break the piece here, 8mm socket. It's holding, guys. Okay, let me get this one now. Okay, one more, let me see, two more here, three more, because it's gonna break. Yeah, that one's broken. Okay. Let's see what's holding there on this side, nothing. Be careful there not to break the plastics towards the back. Okay, 8mm socket maybe, if we need to remove any. We have the plastic clean pieces towards the back, there towards the exhaust that we need to remove, or it's gonna break. Okay, we have one bolt in the middle, right here, in the middle, with a female Torx, the one that we had. 14, I think, right there in the middle. That's the only one holding now. So let's go ahead, drop that one. Yeah, that holds it. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and get that one loose. Excellent. Now I'm going to hold it here while one person gets out, and now we'll attempt to slide it back, or to at least where we can. Okay, 1 second, I'm hitting in the jack. I'm hitting in the jack, so now we might need to lower the car or move it to the front, slide it to the front, but we need to lift that yellow thing, we won't be able to clear it to slide it to the front. So we'll need to lower the car and remove the jack to be able to get the thing out, guys. Otherwise, it will not work out. So let us show you now what we'll be doing here. Very low car. That makes it a little bit hard to work on. Okay, oh, 1 second. One washer fell. I want to collect that one. We'll see where he got it from. Now we'll come underneath. And we're going to land the car. Let's go up first. And once we go up, okay, perfect. We can release the locking mechanism. And we can go back now. Let's try now. Okay. It's going now, and we need to practically drop it all the way so we can easily, guys, remove that skid plate. So I'm going to pull that jack now. Even the seal only the seal if I remove the rubber block, I will be able now to grab that skid plate. Okay, 1 second, I cannot hold it with one hand. That thing is heavier than I thought. Okay, and now, because we're going to not to break the plastic clips here. Okay, it came out. Okay, you can see, guys. Let us show you. That's a metal skid plate that we have right here. That's what it looks like. So you can see, guys, the skid plate was removed on that BMW just like that. Now, it's quite a bit of work, but it's doable, guys, okay? You can see you can do it yourself. Now you have to be extremely careful. Consider this video for entertaining purposes, not a how-to video, because we have a high voltage battery that can electrocute you guys. So that's how we remove it, but doesn't mean that it will work the same for you. But hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching. See you next time.